Hey guys, it's Sammy here from the Earthy Spoon. So today's a little bit of a different video. We're in the process of doing like a playground area for our little boy in our backyard. But while we're doing that, I thought he needs a sandpit. And I didn't want to do a big sandpit just for the reason that we could be leaving here in 12 months anyway. So instead, I've gone to Bunnings. Got this bad boy. I've got 3 bags. They're 20 kilos each. They're only $8 each. And I've got a little shell pool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up. And it can be moved around, pulled anywhere. It's big enough for our little toddler. Yeah. So let's do it. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it. I did buy 3 bags, but I'm only going to try 2 at the start, and then we'll go and see if I need any more, because they are 20 kilo bags each. Let's do it. And then just spread it around. We put the other bag in so you can see. So even one, if you just wanted one, it'd be plenty, but I'm going to put 2 in case he wants to bury. So and the sand it feels wet, but it's actually not. So let's put bag number 2 in. These bad boys are really heavy. Right, again, spread it out. Yeah, I don't think I need 3. I think 3. I think 2's fine. 2's good. Always better to have a spare. Now, I also got, we're going to put Blue in. Blue's going on an adventure. And she's got these little kids gardening, so I think it's only like $16 or something, all from Bunnings. So I'm going to break these zips in them. Chuck them in there. And also you can use, because he'll use his beach stuff anyway. So if you've got beach stuff, you don't really need to get these. But I just thought, why not? Why not? Put them bad boys in there. He's got a little rake. A little shovel. And he's got a little bucket in the car. Alright. Well, that's it. Easy. Low cost, portable, renter friendly, really. Sandpit. And I know they come with 2 sides, so if you want to get the other side for the summer, you can put water in it. I think that's what I'm going to do. So he's got sandpit to play in. He's also got a little pool. Alright guys, well, give me a like, share, subscribe. If you have any more ideas like this, I'd love to hear them. But yeah, come back and have a look in a few weeks. I reckon it'll be when we have done up a big play area. Alright, thanks guys, bye.